I thought the B58 was like a supercar killer. I thought it was the best engine ever. It was super fast.
But this was my best 0 to 60 run. In all seriousness, 4.9 is still pretty fast. It's actually what the exact number calls for when you look it up online for the 0 to 60 times of a stock 340i.
But that doesn't mean it would hurt to make the car faster, right? We're gonna have to tune it. But before we do that, we got a little ignition service tune-up kit from ECS Tuning along with their aluminum charge pipe, Dynon ignition coils, NGK plugs, a very stock and boring engine bay with a plastic charge pipe. The red coil pack is gonna go so much better with the car rather than these stock black ones.
So welcome to the first official video of modding my newly acquired daily, until it becomes not really my daily.
So let's go ahead and freshen up my engine bay a bit.
The old plugs honestly didn't even look that bad, but of course it's still good to get some fresh ones in here before we tune and turn up the boost.
Everything else is done. Coil packs, plugs, charge pipe. Getting the charge pipe out from down there near the turbo was an absolute nightmare, but it did eventually happen.
But there's still 2 more parts that I want to change out
on this side of the car, and luckily,
they just arrived. So we're gonna head back to the shop, go pick it up. I'm really hoping I don't need to bench unlock this car. It is a 2018 and it was made in 2017, so it's before the date where they started locking DMEs at the dealer. I just want to flash this thing, and I'm on the journey to get in the 3-second 0 to 60. That's what I want right now. I'm pumped.
Boom, here we are. This video, I mean straight business. We're just gonna get right into these parts and modifying this car. That's my intake. This, my 5-inch Catless downpipe from Bimmer Network. Intake also from Bimmer Network. They'll be linked down below. I'm filming this the day after we did the charge pipe and all that, and I kind of wish I just waited because we have the intake and everything fully out. And there's also a turbo inlet in here, so that would have been much easier access if I just did this in one shot. But let's get to work. I got the intake out. There's my turbo. This is the factory turbo inlet. This is the one from Bimmer Network. They look pretty much the same diameter. But the difference here with the stock one is they have this these are like silencers, I guess. So like air and boost will go through here. I guess BMW just wants to make the car, I don't know, not as loud for people if they think it's annoying to hear turbo noises, but we want that. So this is gonna fix that and make us hear some. We got the intake done, the inlet's on down there. We got a little heat shield here. I have like a top cover to go over it, I guess, to help with heat soak when you're idling, but I want this thing to be as loud as possible, and I can't really see this being an issue as I'm driving.
Let's start it up, make sure I did it right. This is what the factory intake sounded like. I didn't hear anything.
No.
And this is what the inlet and intake sounds like. I don't really know how much this camera is gonna pick it up. I can hear the difference definitely in person, but I know it's not that loud. It's like when you shift and you're in like peak torque, that's when it's the loudest. It sounds cool, it's definitely way better than stock, but like intakes on my M2, the difference is nuts. You gotta remember that I'm still on a stock tune, stock boost, so I know that when I tune and turn up the boost, it should be a little bit louder. But now that we got some more intake and turbo noises, we gotta combat this quiet, vacuum-like exhaust, okay? Just listen to this. Is it even on? And you know what's gonna fix that? This bazooka of a Catless downpipe from Bimmer Network. 5-inch diameter. Definitely an above average number. I'm hoping we don't have to take out this intake for the 3rd time to get to it. It shouldn't be too difficult of an install. I think after that, we could be good to tune. Can you believe that this gasket is $40 goddamn dollars? Like, do you even really need to run this? You know your install is gonna go really fast when your bolt looks like it's been infected by something out of The Last of Us. So of course, it immediately snapped in half. That was expected. Then we get to the clamp, which looks like it was tack welded onto the mid pipe. I don't know why. So
So that clamp is also done. As you can see, it's fully cracked. I thought I was gonna have to just saw this off, put the downpipe in, and then wait until the rest of my exhaust system comes in. But I found a replacement clamp, so let's continue. We finally got everything loose and the downpipe is maybe about to come out. Dude, if you're a mechanic, you're an idiot.
What?
Yeah.
Why are you saying that?
Because who would want to do this stuff?
You're a mechanic right now.
No, I'm not. I'm a dickhead. That was actually the method right there. Dude, it's caught again.
Okay, you're good.
Holy smokes.
Oh my god.
It's okay, I can sell this now for $1 million.
Yeah,
Cats. Stock downpipe, aftermarket downpipe. Now I'm gonna transfer over the second O2 sensor and then basically do that all over again. Up there on the clamp situation, this is a 3-inch. This is what I bought. It still doesn't fit. It can barely go over it. Actually, it doesn't even go over it. It is so damn close, but it won't work. We've got about 30 other clamps that I've tried. None of them fit. Every store that I've called does not have the size I need in stock, which I think is a 3¼ inch. I need to get out of here sooner than later. I don't want to wait to drive this car. So let's just take the rest of it off and we're gonna go open dump only. Just like that, the full system is off. It's time to hear this thing open dump. It sounds like I'm actually like a big turbo.
Wait, do it again.
That's 1,000 RPM.
Oh my god. Yo, that's insane.
It's too loud. It's too loud. I can't even go louder than that in here. It's bad.
Oh my god.
That's bad. So because we're Catless, we obviously got a tune for that. I don't want to be driving around with a check engine light. We're going with MHD. I was concerned if I needed a bench unlock, even though it's a 2018, but as you can see here, no unlock needed. Okay, so I'm going through all of my settings here. Oh, I don't want any burbles in base. So we're gonna do, I only want burbles in sport. Definitely cold start noise reduction. I'm not worried about doing too much customization right now because I'm gonna reflash the car. Because I'm on 91 octane still in my gas tank, I got like a half tank still. So once I kill that, I'm gonna put 93 in and then I can reflash for 93. So let's see how this one goes. The last time I did this in my 240 for the first time, my ECU bricked.
ECU bricked. Oh,
I don't need to unlock, I just checked.
Oh, you want me to open the door?
No, don't do anything. You might be wondering why I'm using MHD over BM3. There's always a big debate between those two. So use MHD on my 135, my 240. I like the user interface a lot more than BM3. He is on BM3. He said he hates the user interface.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I like MHD. I think it's simple and it's straightforward. We're almost done! And their customer like service is so fast. And when I bricked my ECU last time, they paid for it to be unbricked.
Damn.
And it wasn't even their fault. Let's go! Okay, let's see if it turns on. I just put my foot down for the clutch, but there's no clutch. I just went to neutral wiggle, but there's no neutral. Definitely way better with the cold start noise thing off.
Oh my god. It sounds like he has a big turbo on that thing.
Nah, that's crazy.
Like going from fully stock and it's so quiet to this when I was fully expecting to only put on the downpipe. Definitely way faster, stage 291. I think
think I'm probably gonna do a little bit more aggressive burbles because these are like OEM weak sauce. I don't want to make it too obnoxious though with no exhaust. Seeing the car with no exhaust, and then for everyone else that's hearing me drive around, it just sounds like it's like the most broken but also like big turbo car. The spool is insanely loud. It's so funny how rowdy the car sounds, but it literally looks and pretty much is like a stock 3 Series. Dude, I can't get over the turbo noises. It's so loud. I hope you can hear it on the camera. Like the... I swear it doesn't even sound bad. Like if it didn't sound like it didn't have an exhaust on it, I would leave it like this. We're gonna do an updated 0 to 60 time now, but first let's get some revs. We got stage 2, 91 octane. I still think the transmission is my biggest limiting factor right now with how slowly the shifts are. We're almost empty on the gas tank here, so again, we got some serious weight savings, and I'm not even wearing socks. No shoes, like I'm raw dogging this. And I'm gonna kick my fat girlfriend out. And we have no exhaust, just a downpipe. So this car is pretty light right now. I'm gonna guess 4.2 or 4.3, that's my guess. What do you guess?
Yep. Okay,
we did 4.9 the first time. Let's see what we get. We're going into a dead end, so I hope I can stop. How did that look?
Oh, so good. My favorite part was when I couldn't see you anymore.
What do you think I did?
3.4?
What? What do you think this is?
3.3.
No! 4.06 0 to 60. That is, yo, I'm almost in the 3s.
Let me do it now.
I thought we said you're fat.
For free?
Okay, put your feet away. Why are you showing them that? Yeah, okay. So brake, gas, go. Yo, it's actually pretty fast. I don't know if she braked too early though. I'm hoping I forgot to tell her to stop at 100. Huh?
It's a lot faster now.
I know. Okay, unfortunately it looks like she braked a little too early. Did you get scared?
No.
She was scared. She didn't know if she could stop in time.
My personal cars don't have functioning brakes.
We're gonna rock with the 4.04 for now. I know we're gonna touch 3s with ease. Next thing for us to do is to flash the transmission, but I want to service it first. So I'm gonna drop the pan and drain the fluid and all that. Then do an XHP flash. I'm also gonna put an exhaust on for the next video. So this is it for this one. It's too loud. It's funny and it sounds cool, but it's a little chaotic just driving around like this. Building this car pretty fast. Not so bad for full volt on stage 2 already. We're almost in the 3s. I'm so excited for that. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Wow, that was awesome.